Okay, so we gotta talk about this chair, this super big executive chair. The things that I like about this, and before I show it to you in a close up in a few seconds, is number one, super easy assemble. I think it's gonna take you about 20 minutes, no more than that. Number two, how big it is. This chair supports 450 pounds, so that is a lot amount of weight. Number three, how wide this chair is. You can see I'm 5'10, I weigh 185 pounds, and you can see how much room I still have here on the sides. And this chair is, I swear, is hugging me from the sides right here with this kind of like flaps over here. It's hugging me. The feel that I have is that someone is hugging me, I swear. And also it has a fantastic lumbar support. It is pretty tall, I have to say. It doesn't have like a, that was the remote controller, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds. It doesn't have a dedicated headrest, but it is tall. So I think that it will be for people up to, I want to say 6.2, 6.3, I think. So that's going to give you still support. And then it comes with a remote controller with a long cable, because actually the cable is pretty long. And then it comes with a remote controller that is going to give you 8-point massage. It's going to give you a really nice vibration massage. So if you're sitting for long periods of time, you want to kind of like chill out a little bit, this is the one. Let's take a closer look. Well, number one, how well padded it is. It's padded everywhere. Right here, you have pads. Right here, you have a really nice firm lumbar support. You have a nice back support in here and a firm headrest. Also, these are really well padded. This section is actually really soft, but this one is more firm. So it's going to be a little bit more elevated, and it's going to give you better kind of like circulation. And then right here, what you also going to find besides the remote controller, let's actually show it in a few, you're going to find the footrest. So let's actually do that now, and I'm going to show you something good. So then once you put the footrest over there, you have this, which is, oh my God, this is so nice. This really nice recliner. Then you turn on this, which I'm going to turn on right now, and it's on, and oh, bum, 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 bum. It's vibrating so nice. And then, oof, oh, it's on my legs too, my back, my legs. I'm going to change the intensity. Oof. This is so fantastic. And it's kind of like on my chest, on my back, on my, a little bit on my tushy as well. It's everywhere. It's just giving me such a nice vibration massage, or vibration feel. Yeah, this chair, it is really good. Big, 450 pounds with a massager, with a footrest, really nice, well padded everywhere. So this could be the perfect home office chair. I'm gonna stay a little bit right here.